Hey, Tyler here with Website Hosting Guides, and I'm going to show you real quick how to set up a GoDaddy domain name on your Namecheap hosting account. Okay, the two things you'll need when setting this up is a GoDaddy domain name as well as a Namecheap account. You can go to these links here to see if there's what kind of promotions are going on for Namecheap. So now after you have the Namecheap account and GoDaddy account, we're going to go ahead and go to GoDaddy, log in, and go to visit my account. Now once we have this up, we'll go ahead and click domains and then go ahead and pick whichever domain name that you want to set up. Once you find it here, click Manage DNS. Now we need to find the name server. So scroll down, here are the name servers, and we're going to click Change and Custom Name Servers. And here are the name servers that you need for Namecheap. So go ahead and type these in right here. The first one is dns1.registrar-servers.com. The second one is dns2.registrar-server.com, and click Save. Alright, so that is now set up. Sometimes it does take a little bit to point the name servers over. So, wait 5 minutes or so and go over to Namecheap, log into your Namecheap account, and we're going to go ahead and go to the hosting account here and click Manage. And all we want to do is add this domain name to the cPanel. And you'll scroll down and click Add on Domains. Now we'll go ahead and enter our domain name in here that we want to set up and click Add Domain. Alright, and that is it. So the next thing you would need to do is install your CMS. So if you're using WordPress, just go back to the cPanel, click Install, and you're good to go. And remember, if you need discounts on Namecheap, check this out here. And go to our website if you're not sure what the best host is for you. That's websitehostingguides.com, and take the quiz right here. And we'll show you which host is best for your needs. So hopefully this was helpful, and have a great day.